Hi, Victor Alpha 5, Mike Uniform Delta, and today I'm at Charlie Alpha 5082, Saskatoon. Great place, trail's right here, very well used today. Today's video we're going to show you just how awesome it is to use Sotamat, whatever you want to call it. I call it Sotamat, and we're going to spot ourselves on Pota. So first thing we want to do, we're going to find ourselves a free frequency. We're going to pretend we have no internet. So we're not even going to look at the spotting page. .45 has somebody on it. 40. Let's go 340. We're going to call. As this frequency in use, VA5 MUD. Okay, so we're just going to listen to see if anyone is on frequency. Then we're going to go to our app. We're going to go spot Pota. We're going to change to Charlie Alpha 5082. And we're going to pick a frequency. We're going to be going to 340. And once again, is this frequency in use? VA5 MUD. So we want to make sure no one's going to go on it. So 340 we go. Done. Okay, so we're on there. 5082, 14's 340. We're going to take our radio. We're going to remember 340. We're going to go to our FT8 station. Get down there. We're going to keep it in sideband, upper sideband, no digital. We're going to play FT8. See how it's waiting for so many seconds. We're going to make sure our volume's turned up. And we're going to push the PTT on the button once it starts playing. Let's click to stop, get out of that. Let's go to our hammers log, get ready, back to 340. Hopefully no one's taking it, and let's see if we're spotted. Siki Pota, this is Victor Alpha 5, Mike Uniform Delta at Charlie Alpha 5082, QRZ. All right, November 0, please.
November 0, Uniform Sierra Lima, QSL.
QSL, November 0, Uniform Sierra Lima. Hey, did you get the spot off the spot page?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Did you see the spot on the Pota app, or were you spinning the dial?
Oh no, I found it on the app.
73, okay, stand by. All right, guys, that's how it's done. If we want to confirm, if we weren't out in the field, if we had actually had it, there we are. We are spotted via Sotamat. For now, 73s, guys.